So currently this is what I have in my livestock. So I've got a very huge space. I've managed to keep some, plus some. This is where I keep them. I have those chicks, and I have some quails too. But I'm having problems now in the management of my chicken house or my livestock houses. So can you please hear me in the comment section? How best can I manage this space? Because this is a big yard. I wanted to get started with the local chickens and the quails. So how best can I do it? Because to me, quitting is not an option. I think I can do this. I work at a 7 to 4 job, but now it seems like I'm having problems in managing these things. So yeah, but this is what I've had so far, ever since I started posting about livestock on my channel.